Hi guys, welcome back. Just to review, what we talked about in the last video was about the environment and why it's so important to keep it clean and respect it. And just to remind you, the reason being is because we were only given one world to live in, and so we just need to treat it as such. So let's jump right in. Before we get started on today's lesson, I went ahead and made a pre-test for you guys to see how much you knew. We're going to play Kahoot. The way this works is you enter in the game pin that's going to pop up here in a minute onto your device. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. It's 4417153, and then you enter in your nickname. And as you can see, my name pops up right up on there. So I'm just going to pretend like I'm you guys in the classroom, and this is the screen that you'll actually be seeing. So is recycling good for the environment? We're going to go with yes. Okay. And just for the sake of time, I'm going through this pretty quickly. So we go on to question 2. Throwing your trash in the ocean is the best way to get rid of it. Probably not. So we're going to go with false. Alright. Good deal. Which option is best for preventing air pollution? Probably riding a bike. Which does not help the environment? Definitely littering. Okay, and we got one more question. Alright, does pollution affect only humans and not animals? No. Because as I remember, it affects everybody. All living things. Okay, so that's just to see, kind of gauge where you guys are at as far as the lesson goes. But for the main part, I went ahead and made a PowerPoint that we're going to go over today. Earth and human activity. So why should we care about the environment? Well, it's the one and only place given to us to live. With that being said, think about what will happen if all of our resources die or disappear. Who does it affect? The pollution of the world affects humans, but aren't humans the ones doing it? If it harms us, animals, and plant life, all of which we need to live. How does it harm the air? We as a nation are polluting the very air that we breathe. Pollution hurts nearly 100 million Americans every year, and some effects are comparable to malaria and HIV. America alone produces 26 trillion tons of trash per year. That's not even including the other nations in the world. That's just mind-blowing. How does it harm water? Oil tankers spill oil into the ocean. Boats sink, causing debris. Litter washes down into rivers, and streams drain. Streams end up in the ocean is what I meant. How does it harm the land? We fill landfills with so much trash that there will eventually be no room left for trash. Only 10% of trash gets recycled each year, and there are enough plastic bottles thrown away each year to circle the Earth 46 times. It harms living spaces for land animals such as prairie dogs. And the reason I bring up prairie dogs is because I actually have one to show you. I just woke him up, so he might not be very happy. This is Sid. He's one of our 2 prairie dogs. He has a little brother, too. But I just want to show you guys how cute they are. See? Say hi, Sid. Oh, they're so sweet. Okay. What can we do to prevent it from getting worse? Recycle any plastic, metal, and paper. Sorry. Try to take shorter baths and showers. Use actual dishes rather than paper or styrofoam. Try not to use styrofoam because it cannot be recycled. Turn off the water when you brush your teeth. Walk or ride a bike instead of driving. Turn lights off when you aren't using them. Use solar panels. And show some compassion for animals because this is their home too. I hope you guys learned a lot in this lesson. And in the next video, we are going to be talking about how you're going to be tested on it all. So, stay tuned.